Hi, I'm Jeffrey Miller, and I teach a course called The Psychology of Human Sexuality. I thought I'd make a short video explaining the course in case you're interested in taking it. I love teaching this class because it's fun, but I think it's also important to students. Sexuality is central to our lives. It leads to our most important relationships, with lovers, spouses, and children, even in-laws. It drives a lot of our social networking, our status seeking, and our consumer behavior. It sparks our strongest passions and pleasures, but it can also lead to shame, regret, and heartbreak. Plus, sexuality isn't just a personal thing. It's also at the heart of a lot of political and religious debates. Some classes aim to teach you stuff that will be important in your careers. This class aims to teach you stuff that will be important for the rest of your life, whatever career you choose. If you want a happy, fulfilled life, I think it's important to understand sex, not just the mechanics, but the psychology. So this isn't remedial sex education that covers the stuff about contraception, STIs, and pregnancy that you should have learned in high school. Instead, it's focused on the deep psychology of sexual relationships, sexual preferences, and sexual emotions. I try to make this class genuinely inclusive to a wide range of people. Whether you're male, female, or other. Whether you're vanilla or kinky. Whether you're straight, gay, bi, or asexual. Whether you're in a traditional monogamous marriage or a polyamorous network. Whether you're a hardcore atheist, a Catholic, or an evangelical Christian. And whether you're a Democrat, a Republican, or libertarian. My background is in evolutionary psychology and sex research. I got my PhD at Stanford, and I've been teaching at UNM since 2001. I've taught this class about 12 times before, and I also teach courses on human emotions, the psychology of affective altruism, and intelligence and creativity. I've published 5 books related to sex, evolution, and society, and over 100 other papers and articles. I'm also active on social media, and I release a couple of videos a week on my YouTube channel. If you want to find out more about the class, you can email me at gfmiller@unm.edu to get the course syllabus, or just show up on the first day of class. Hope to see you soon.